And after a 3.5-day trial, a Jackson County jury has convicted a man for murder in the 2018 road rage stabbing death of St. Joseph's Cody Harder. KQ2's Madeline McLean was in court all week long, and after the verdict was announced, she spoke with the airman's family about their message to the man who killed their son.
A jury spent 3 hours deliberating inside the courthouse Thursday afternoon. They had to decide whether a Pleasant Hill man stabbed and killed a Missouri National Guard Airman on May 5, 2018 in Lee Summit for no reason.
Jurors, you had such a tough job today. Not only was our family affected, but there was another family that's affected, Mr. Webb's family.
There was no debate about whether 61-year-old Nicholas Webb killed 23-year-old Cody Harder. Webb admitted to it on the stand Wednesday.
Cody was fun, and he was kind, and he was, funny. He was funny, and he would give you the shirt off his back.
But Webb said he stabbed Harder on 291 and 470 in self-defense. The Harder had been the aggressor, grabbing his arm. Webb testifying that he lied to police about everything because he didn't think anyone would believe he acted in self-defense, given his criminal history. Webb spent the last 30 years behind bars for a 1981 Cass County murder. The public defender submitting to the jury that if they're to convict Webb, it basically plays out his worst fears and everything that he said would happen. That no one was going to give an ex-convict a fair shake. They were never going to believe his story. They were never even going to consider it. The prosecutors countered with 5 witnesses, testifying they saw Harder backing away from Webb with his hands in the air.
It wasn't self-defense. Cody was a good person. Cody pulled over to help somebody, and that person, Mr. Webb, he had road rage, and he took it out on Cody. Cody was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
The prosecutors arguing even if there was no witnesses, Webb never mentioned self-defense until now. The prosecuting attorney getting the last word into the jury, saying that basically what the defense was asking was for the jury to disregard the witnesses and law enforcement agents and documents and DNA evidence and instead believe what Webb said, despite the fact that he had already admitted to lying. The jury agreed, convicting Webb of murder in the second degree in armed criminal action. Harder's family thanking the jury, prosecuting attorneys, and judge, and showing someone else a little grace.
I don't like what happened, but I have forgiveness in my heart. We'll see Cody again.
Reporting in Independence, Madeline McLean, KQ2 News.